Number 17 here, Geico Honda rider Eli Tomac. Last time around, all three riders in the 158 lap time range.
Tomac gonna try it on the inside of Muscat. Wow!
This moto, it's just
Track the rules of the rules. 30 minutes and 2 laps, and Eli Tomac is all over him now. Martin just ripped 3 of them in one straightaway alone, and he's leading. Oh, Tomac over. More tear-offs being ripped by Martin. Tomac around the outside. This could be the move.
Parts have been better. He's had to ride through the pack in this moto, but for the most part,
And that's a pretty smart move because he's one heck of a rider.